just turned it on.
It's me, honey.
Penny, get down.
Down, down, down. Down, your legs hurt.
Lay down.
Lay down.
You take medicine?
No. Oh, yes. Smell it already.
That looks seriously
Oh.
so thick.
Just how I like it.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Puppy girl. Thank you, baby. Cute.
Which one's that one?
A leaf house.
Oh, I like that one. That's my favorite.
Oh, they're so hyped.
That's my favorite one.
I just wanted to see how it looks.
Well, sometimes they go to sleep on the weak side. Locker trying to use his size and pays dividends more that time as he was able to shoot up and over Fleming. As I said, they go to him when he gets in.
I haven't been able to wear these jackets that much.
He tried to work on something. Here's a screen pass inside of Fleming. Going to be productive to stay in the game. We're seeing Fleming. He's trying to carve out a few minutes here. Get play with these two teams, Mets. Back in late February, double overtime, Phoenix win. Yeah. I like to see Rasheed kind of lean into his back.
What if she's in pain with American Girl?
Give her half.
You're gonna give her half?
Yeah.
Got the shot, got the foul. Give him a silly.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ready, honey?
Yeah.
Let's go. Just rip it.
Did what?